It's a video chart presentation of Prophecy Resources Corp, brought to you by allpennystocks.com. Prophecy trades on the Toronto Venture Exchange under the ticker PCY. This is a huge cup and handle pattern. Very nice look to it, holding, gapped up on Friday, held the gains close near the high of the day, trading over top of all the moving averages. That this chart's trying to turn bullish. You can see in the recent past, MACD trending back towards zero. Got the bullish cross right in this area. That break back through the money line is what we want to see and have this continue to trend northbound. Very similar look to the PPO. We reference this an awful lot of times. When you see this ADX hit 10, look for some kind of reversal. You can see there it bounced off of 10, starting to trend back up. Down in a trading pattern at this point. Plenty of room for this to try and gather some steam and add some real strength, break into a true trend. It's nicely positioned for that to happen. Want to see these MFIs push back over top of 50. You can see if they're trying to turn, trying to make their way that direction. It'd be pretty critical for this to break through 50 to try and add some strength to this chart. Accumulation distribution kind of put itself into a downward channel. That's what we're going to look for, is a break of that trend line. So try and see it start to make some higher lows and some higher highs and put an end to this downward channel that it's in. Somewhere through that area. We like to see this defined as a bottom of this indicator and start to make a turn. Same with shaking money flow. Keeps holding a base where selling pressure only reaches such a level and it starts to trend back up. Need to see this break back through zero and show some true buying pressure overcoming selling pressure. That break of 100 is the buy point for CCI followers. And I like to see it this full stow is trending back over top of 50 now. Nice uptrend to it, showing some strong momentum. So we're going to want to see that hold over top of 50. There's a nice bullish cross of the tricks. So we're going to want to see that continue. Not only push its way back through zero, but try and break through this level and establish a higher high and try and make this a nice looking bottom. See, the RSIs have pushed their way through 50 at this point, all holding over top. Got the 7 breaking up above 70. At this point, we just want to see this momentum continue to carry through and hold over top of 50. We're going to look for some key things. There's a pretty strong trend line right through here. We'll look for that trend line to be broken. This is a double bottom. I'd like to see that 90 cents hold. If this happens to want to pull all the way back, look for 90, 88 cents perhaps. Look for this area to hold as another bottom. In the more near term, I'd really look for this dollar to hold. The dollar can tend to be a pretty strong level of support or resistance. In this case, it would be support. It does pull a portion of the candle PPS aspect into it. So I'd like to see it hold a dollar right now on any pullback. Continue this 1 month uptrend that it has. But I'll have my eye on this trend line. And I'd put a first resistance level right there at $1.10. I want to see it get through that as well, hold above it. I think if it can hold up there, it can challenge these upper wicks, $1.17, $1.14 pretty easily. But as far as kind of a double bottom look to it, I want to see it push through that. If it can hold above that, I think it'll take those out, and it could possibly come up and challenge the old high right there at $1.27. So I think this chart has a very nice look to it. Definitely was bearish on the retrace this last time. A lot of selling right in through here, and again in right through here. But it looks like the chart's trying to turn bullish, and quite possibly might try and take a run at this upper level. I think the prophecy chart is certainly something to keep an eye on and see how it plays out from this point forward. As always, annotated video chart is merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant and strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure and do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thanks for watching and trade smart.